In a big shocker for India, India's ace wrestler Vinesh Fogart, who stood on the cusp of ultimate glory in the Paris Olympic Games, has been disqualified from the competition entirely. Vinesh, who was competing in the 50 kg freestyle wrestling category, has been disqualified from the competition for weighing over the limit for her event. Vinesh usually competes in the 53 kg category but brought her weight down to 50 kg for the Paris Olympics. On day 2 of her weigh-in, however, Vinesh was found weighing over the desired limit by 100 grams. Vinesh reportedly tried to do all she could to come under the desired weight, be it skipping meals or running. She didn't sleep the entire night, hoping to fall under the weight category. The Indian officials also asked the Olympic Committee for more time, but the efforts went in vain. This comes as a blow to India, as high hopes were pinned on Vinesh to win gold after she reached the finals of the wrestling game in the Olympic event. The Indian coach revealed that Vinesh was found overweight by just 100 grams on Wednesday morning. Though the margin was small, the rules do not allow for an exception to be made. In 2023, Vinesh Fogart was at the forefront of the wrestler protest against Wrestling Federation of India, WFI, Chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. The wrestlers demanded the arrest of Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, accusing him of sexually harassing several female athletes, stirring a nationwide controversy.
जितने बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं वही बैठ के देखते हैं, क्योंकि उन्होंने किस तारीख का टाइम दिया था वो भी उन्होंने ही दिया था, और अभी वो जो भी फैसला लेंगे फिर हम उसके ऊपर एग्री रहेंगे और प्रोटेस्ट तो चलता रहेगा जब तक जो हम बोल रहे हैं कि ब्रिज भूषण को गिरफ्तार करना चाहिए, रेसलिंग हमारी सेफ होनी चाहिए, बच्चों का भविष्य सुरक्षित होना चाहिए, तो ये लड़ाई तो जब तक चलती रहेगी जब तक ये चीजें हो नहीं जाती।
This Olympics 2024, she made history by becoming the first Indian woman wrestler to reach the Olympic final, but her disqualification from the event comes as huge shocker.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.